Have you ever noticed how someone can work harder, earn more, and somehow still end up in the exact same financial spot year after year? It's not always about bad luck. It's not because opportunities don't exist. It's because the way we think about money, our deep-seated mental frameworks, quietly dictate every single financial decision we make. And over a lifetime, those small decisions compound into our reality. Today, we're diving deep into why your mindset is more powerful than the math and how specific thinking patterns create financial outcomes. If you're ready to start thinking differently about money and finally see real results from your efforts, consider subscribing to Wealtiny, liking this video, and turning on that notification bell. You won't want to miss the insights that can help you move forward. Let's start with a foundational idea. Your financial life is a reflection of your repeated decisions, and your decisions are driven by your thinking. First, let's look at the scarcity mindset versus the growth mindset. This isn't just self-help talk. It's a core concept in behavioral finance. Someone operating from a scarcity mindset believes resources are limited. When they think about money, their primary emotion is fear. Fear of losing it, fear of not having enough. So, they hold on to cash tightly and avoid investing because it feels like gambling. Their focus is purely on defense, not losing instead of offense. Growing over the long term, it creates a financial ceiling. A practical way to see this is in how people approach a $5,000 windfall. The scarcity mindset asks, how can I protect this? They might put it in a loyal savings account. The growth mindset asks, how can I turn these $5,000 into $10,000? They might invest it in a low-cost index fund or start a small side business. The thinking pattern creates two completely different financial futures. Next up is what I call the complexity trap. This is the belief that making money is complicated. When someone holds this belief, they see finance as this big, scary monster full of jargon and confusing charts. So, what happens? They do nothing. They avoid learning about investing. They don't even open their retirement account statements. The truth is, the fundamentals of personal finance are simple. Spend less than you earn, invest the difference consistently, and avoid high-interest debt. Now, let's get into our biology with something called hyperbolic discounting. We strongly prefer smaller, immediate rewards over larger, delayed rewards. It's choosing the immediate comfort of a fancy dinner over the long-term security of adding to your emergency fund. A $5 coffee every day is over $1,800 a year. That amount, invested, could become tens of thousands over decades. This brings us to the locus of control. Someone with an external locus of control believes their life is dictated by outside forces. They blame the economy or their boss. While external factors play a role, focusing on them makes you powerless. Conversely, someone with an internal locus of control believes they are the primary driver of their own life. They take ownership. Shifting your locus of control from external to internal is one of the most powerful mindset shifts you can make. Then there's the awareness gap. This is a pattern of willful ignorance, not tracking expenses, not knowing how much debt you have. Financial awareness isn't about judging your past spending. It's about gathering data to make better future decisions. Finally, let's talk about identity priming. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm just not a numbers person," your brain will prove you right. The good news is, you can change your identity. Start by changing your self-talk to "I am learning to be better with money." Better thinking leads to better decisions. Better decisions, repeated over time, become better habits. And better habits compound into better outcomes. Practical exercise. Track every single dollar you spend for 1 week. Second, pick one negative financial belief and rewrite it into an empowering statement. The moment you take responsibility for your mindset, you take back control of your financial destiny. If you want to keep learning, subscribe to Wealtiny, like this video, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.